Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At titingnan natin kung ano yung energies na parating sa inyo ngayong Jupiter in Gemini transit. So ito ay isang taong transit from May 2024 to June 2025. Jupiter is the planet of abundance, prosperity, good luck. So titingnan natin kung ano yung mga blessings na parating sa inyo sa buong cycle na yan. And also, if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment kung gusto nyo makapagpabook for a private reading. So for you, Capricorn, maaaring mas maka-resonate dito yung mga Capricorn rising, no? So, pwede rin naman makapag-resonate yung Capricorn Sun or Moon, but if you are a Capricorn rising, mas accurate to for you. Okay? So for you, Capricorn, ang Jupiter transit ay mangyayari sa inyong 6th house of health, your daily routine. Yan. So maaring maraming trabaho. Marami kayong gagawin kasi Jupiter is the planet of expansion, no? Maraming kung ano yung nasan yung Jupiter, ina-expand niya yan. So maaring mas maraming workload, mas maraming kailangang tapusin, ayusin. So good news rin to for you, no? Kasi mga Capricorn, hardworking yan. Some of you also will do some organization. No? Ibig sabihin na organize mo yung bahay mo, yung space mo, yung place mo, yung office mo. So, mas magiging, mas i-manage mo ngayon yung day-to-day life mo. Lalo na kung nung mga nakaraan, parang walang direksyon yung mga ginagawa mo. It's just, puro work, work, work. So, ngayon, I feel like you will live a balanced life, no? Yung tipong, yes, magiging busy ka sa trabaho mo, sa career mo, sa business mo, but at the same time, you will also focus on taking care of yourself, taking care of your health, dahil syempre, 'di ba? Kung hindi tayo healthy, hindi natin magagampanan yung ating mga responsibilities and hindi tayo mas makakapagtrabaho ng maayos. So, health is wealth, 'di ba? Ayan. Kaya kung kayo ay may mga nararamdaman na diyan, lalo na sa tuhod ninyo, oo, or sa mga kasukasuan niyo sa buto niyo, ito na yun rin yung time na bibigyan niyo ng attention yung pagpapa-check up, wellness. So, yung iba sa inyo pwedeng may mga sisimulang routine para maging malusog, malakas, masigla kayo. Let's say you will be trying to go back to the gym or meron kayong routine na pagtakbo, no? Running, walking, jogging every morning or sa gabi after nyong umuwi ng bahay, yung mga ganon. So, you will be taking care of yourself more. Iba may involve rin kayo sa yung mga rituals, no? Let's say, pag kayo ay maliligo, no? So, meron kayong mga additional rituals na gagawin to take care of yourself even more. Okay? So, meron tong trine sa 2nd house, which is your assets, your finances. So, iba sa inyo, maaring papasok kayo sa isang business, negosyo, related sa health and wellness. So, you might be trying to sell vitamins, or mga skincare products, supplements, things like that, no? Na pwedeng maging extra income ninyo. Oo. You will also, I feel like meron ka ring pag-aaralan, no? Itong pag-aaral na to is part of how you manage your life, yung, let's say, organizing things, para maging valuable sa'yo yung skill na yon. Yung iba, pwedeng magiging interested kayo sa interior decoration, no? Pwedeng yan pwedeng for personal use or for your business kung magsisimula kang magnegosyo. Okay, so let's see what else. Capricorn, ayan. You have the 7 of Pentacles. So this is really working hard, no? Ito yung investment rin, no? So pwedeng meron kayong investment, pwedeng sa lupa, or mag-invest kayo sa lupa, sa properties. Oo, or pwedeng sa ano, cryptocurrency, stock market. Okay? But it takes a lot of patience para sa inyo to see the results. So, kailangan very patient kayo and driven. You have the lovers. So, some of you, pwede rin, you will get into a beneficial partnership. This can be a romantic partnership or a business partnership. But for some of you, this is a business partnership. You have the Queen of Pentacles. This is about your resources. Your needs are all met. So, you don't have to worry about this year para pagdating sa mga pangangailangan mo, pangangailangan ng family mo, because your work or your business can definitely support, no? Support yung mga needs mo. You have the Two of Cups. So, meron talaga rito ang partnership, no? Maaring some of you, romantic partnership, relationship, attraction sa isang tao. Maari ring, but ang nakukuha ko dito is more on sa ano business partnership, na there is someone in your life, so someone is very close to you na supportive sa iyong mga endeavors, especially sa business mo. So, pwedeng meron kang kapatid, parents, a friend who is supporting you sa mga endeavors mo, especially sa business na pinapasok mo, or kung ano-ano pang mga projects that you will get yourself into. You have the Three of Wands. So this is an opportunity for you to explore new opportunities abroad, no? So pwedeng iba sa inyo may plans of working abroad, or pwede ring paglipat ng bahay or investment sa abroad. So pwedeng meron kang kaibigan or someone na kakilala mo doon na mag-invest ka sa negosyo niya para meron ka ring passive income. This is also about growth. So your assets are growing. Yung mga ari-arian mo, yung mga valuables mo, they are growing. Your finances are growing. Lalo na kung you will manage it well, no, mamamanage mo ng maayos, like itatrack mo, imo-monitor mo yung cash in, cash out, yung cash flow ng iyong business if you have a business. And even sa personal use mo, 'di ba? Kasi yung iba, kapag sumeldo, ubos agad yung pera, hindi mo na alam kung saan napunta. But for you, alam mo kung saan papunta yung pera mo. Alam mo kung magkano yung marireceive mo, at alam mo rin kung saan mo dadalhin yon, saan yun mapupunta. And at the same time, some of you, maaring yung extra income ninyo, iipunin nyo for investments. You have the Knight of Swords. So this is about very fast energy. Pwedeng meron kang mga asikasuhin, mabilisan. So I think related to sa mga documents, related sa mga paperworks, lalo na if you are planning to start your own business, or meron kang kailangan ayusin na documentation para sa negosyo mo, renewal, permits, some of you, visa, no, or documents, paperworks related sa pagta-travel mo. You also have the Three of Cups. So I think you will be more enterprising, no? Ibig sabihin, you will be connecting more with a lot of people na pareho ng interest ninyo. This is the energy of yung paglabas sa, let's say, pupunta ka sa restaurant, meeting new friends, na meron kayong mga goals sa buhay na gusto nyong magkakasama kayo na gawin yun. Oo, pwedeng may plans to have a business with your friends. And you also have the Hierophant. So some of you, pwede ring yung iba, meron ikakasal dito. No? You might get married, or be more in a committed relationship. Iko-commit mo yung sarili mo sa isang serious relationship with someone. Yeah, with the Knight of Cups. Some of you, pwedeng you may be dealing with a soulmate, no? Soulmate energy. I feel like ito yung isa sa bina-value ninyo, no? You are really giving your efforts sa relationship na to, because alam mo na pag inilagaan mo, no? Ikaw, aalagaan ka rin. You have the Hermit, so some of you may be dealing with a Virgo or a Taurus, or kapareho nyo na Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Meron ding Gemini energy rito. And I feel like you are more serious now. No? Mas seryoso ka sa mga gusto mo nang gawin sa buhay. You are not here to play games. You just want to, gusto mong yung effort mo, merong kahinatnan, may resulta. Okay? So that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. Bye.